every season, farmers face new problems. One year it may be drought, and the next it could be flooding. In a profession where no two seasons are the same, knowledge is key. FarmFlight is proud to partner with Ag Analytics to create an on-demand UAV service. Now, highly detailed drone data is accessible to everyone at an affordable rate. With just a few clicks, farmers can have a drone operator survey their field within a week. Using UAV imagery and machine learning software, FarmFlight and Ag Analytics can interpret crop scans and send them back to you in a detailed and easy-to-read format. With this data, farmers can accurately estimate yields, check the nitrogen status in plants, gather accurate flowering estimates, locate stress caused by drought and waterlogging, find weeds, pests, and diseases. With FarmFlight and Ag Analytics, you can spend less time searching for problems and more time solving them.